Guys, you're welcome to this session of the training, QuickBooks online training. I am Abdul Fattah Munero by name. In this session, I want to show us how to import bank transactions into QuickBooks Online. Now, there is what we call bank reconciliation, where we reconcile what we've recorded in our accounting software with what is in the bank as regards bank transactions. So a very good example is if you have transactions that occurred in the bank, you're definitely supposed to have it on your software. So you have a transaction in the bank and you also have a transaction in your software. So what you now do is to reconcile and match them together to make sure that you did not leave anyone out. So now, but in some cases, it happens that you might not have the bank here in QuickBooks. So in that case, you have to import those transactions manually from the period under review. So the first thing we have to do, we have to select banking. So once we select banking, then we click on banking. Okay. Now I have a schedule already. So how do we do it? In this case, I'm going to be importing a CSV file. So if you're using an internet banking, you're able to download a PDF of your bank statements. It's important you convert it to CSV, or if you can download it from as a CSV file, it's still also important. So the only thing is that we are going to make use of CSV file. CSV file is a comma separated values. So that's the format we're going to make use of. So I'm going to click on this drop arrow close to link account, then upload from file. So once the windows open, okay, this is what we're going to next. So I'm going to show us what I have here. I have this as my bank statement saved in CSV file. Okay, now you see we have date, name, memo, and amount. Okay, so I will head back to my account. Now from the left here, you see they say manually upload your transaction. Then from the right, you see bring in transaction automatically. So if I click on find your bank and you cannot see your bank there, you have to follow this step to upload your bank transaction manually. But if you see your bank there, you can go ahead and connect. So I'm going to go ahead and select drag. See now they say open a new tab. Second, your bank the cloud. So I'm going to select this bank statement here. Okay. Now the next thing is to click on continue. So once you click on continue, it will ask you to select an account that you use to track those transactions. So I want to use another account here. So let me click on add new. So just for the sake of the tutorial, I'll create an account, a checking account that will be used to track these transaction I'm about to upload. Okay, let me select again and see. It's taking time. Okay, so it has to be bank, which is the account type. Then the detail has to be checking. Then I can add. Okay, let me say UBA checking account. Okay, so those are the things I just need. Then when do you want to start tracking your finances from this account? So I want to start from the beginning of this year. So it means I'm starting from this year. Okay. Now the account balance here, I'm going to leave it as 0. I'm going to leave it empty. So I'm assuming I'm just starting with UBA Bank, UBA checking from the beginning of this year. But if you have a closing balance for 31st of December 2022, you can put the balance there. Okay, save and close. So I'm going to go ahead and select. I would like to sync. Okay, it has come up. So UBA checking. So I'll go ahead and click on continue. Okay. Now there is mapping that we have to do. We have to map. So now tell us about the format. Now, is the first row in your file a header? In my case, it is. This is the header. The header is what we have as date, name, memo. So that is the first row. So I'm going to go ahead and leave it as yes. The second says how many columns show amount. I'm making use of one column, positive and negative as one column. But if I want to have it as debit and credit, I can also do that. Then once if I have it in that way, I'm going to select and choose 2 column. Okay. Then the date format. So I have it as month, day, and year. Okay. Now the date is in column 1. The description is the memo, which is in column 3. Okay. So once that is that, I click on continue. Now it has which transaction do you want? I want to add everything. So I'm going to click on this box to select all. Then I click on continue. QuickBooks will import here. Yeah, go ahead. Okay. Import completed. So I'm going to click on done. Okay. So once you see now, you see those 7 transactions in the UBA checking. If I click on UBA checking now, you see we have this transaction here as we can see. So we've successfully imported the bank transactions into QuickBooks Online. So this is what we are doing in this tutorial. So hope you guys understand. If you have any question as regards this training, you can drop the question in the comment section. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, share my videos, and turn on the notification so that you get notified whenever I make new videos. See you guys in my next training and have a wonderful day. Bye.